Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile you don't have permission to access. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will search about FIFA Mobile. Then this list of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that you will find this window of clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.